Hey guys, you're watching my real life vlogs, and today's vlog is all about my hair. I am actually on my way right now to the salon to get my hair trimmed. Yay! I'm so excited. So I'm meeting up with my favorite hairstylist in Chicago, Shawana. That's who did my hair for my wedding. You guys, that's like my big sis. I love her so much. We go way, way back. She's pretty much the only person I really trust doing my hair because she and I have a similar hair texture, and she's been in the game for a very long time. A lot of her experience is with natural hair and not just like perms and weaves and stuff. So I'm really excited about having her trim all the damage off my hair this morning. So that's where I'm headed right now.
Morning, can I help you?
Hi, good morning. Can I have a medium caramel iced coffee? Can you use almond milk instead of creamer?
Yeah, it's gonna be an upcharge. Is that fine?
Yeah. Oh my God, finally here. I think it's this way. So here I am at the salon, nervous as ever. I'm always nervous when I go to the salon, but Shawana always makes me feel so much more comfortable. So I showed up with my own products, and Shawana was actually very familiar with the bond mender type of treatments, and she was just really excited to see that there was a product that could be bought over the counter and without a license. So I had already applied step one, which is the bond mender treatment, to my hair before I got to the salon, so it had already had a chance to kind of set. So we went right in with the shampooing, which was amazing. It felt so nice getting my scalp all cleansed and ready for my conditioner, which was the third step, at which point my hair was detangled and smooth and pinned up, and then I sat under the hair steamer for a few minutes. The steamer is always an awesome choice because it's like an express deep conditioning. After my steam treatment, I went ahead and sat down with Shawana just to quickly discuss the haircut that I was about to get. What we wanted to focus on was removing all of the damaged areas. So we were trying to figure out what is the style of cut that I would end up with once we did that. Shawana was able to confirm that the damage to my hair was in fact a combination of heat and color. So getting rid of all of that was the primary focus, and then secondarily shaping the hair so that it's still a flattering cut. So I was a little bit nervous, but you guys, Shawana is really, really good. She went ahead and cut the hair about 1 inch at a time, so it was a very gradual process, which made me a lot more comfortable. And as you can also see, she cut the hair while wet, so it was really easy to tell the areas that needed to go. So there was no heat involved, and there will not be for a very long time. Even the style here that I ended up leaving the salon with is a wet set. We ended up just going with something really simple, some flat twists. She used a setting mousse. I mean, I really didn't come for a style, I just came for the cut, so I kept it very, very simple. I sat under the dryer for a few minutes and I was on my way. Before we get to the final results of my haircut, let me catch you guys up. This was my hair just 6 weeks ago, a combination of color damage, heat damage, postpartum shedding, resulting in overall severe breakage. I was introduced to the Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense 3-step system and committed to using these products exclusively over the course of 6 weeks. The plan was to repair my damaged hair by improving my techniques and manipulation tactics while trimming off the dead, crusty, limp ends throughout that process and sharing it all with you guys. I kept my routine simple by basically maintaining what I've been doing, washing my hair once a week, sometimes more if I do a lot at the gym. In this video clip, you see me pretty much doing my regular routine in the shower, just saturating my hair, getting it ready for my shampooing. After I've already applied the Plex Bond Mender pre-treatment, which is the first step to this process. It's basically like a serum, and it helps to penetrate the hair, making fragile, defenseless strands stronger against breakage. Next, on to my favorite part, which is shampooing. You guys, I just have a fetish. I love cleansing my hair. I just love it. And so this restoring shampoo contains castor and argan oil. It has a deep cleanse capability and aids in easy detangling, which I love. And it smooths the cuticle, making the hair a lot easier to manage and handle. And it's perfect for strengthening color-treated, relaxed, transitioning hair, pretty much all hair types. This shampoo rinses really clean, and my scalp is always like just super clear. There's no white residue or anything, so that's what I really love about it. And throughout these steps, you guys, step 1, step 2, step 3, you can feel your hair actually getting stronger and stronger as you get down to the conditioning part. Like personally, my hair is super dry, high porosity, but even I can feel the elasticity improving with these products. Now on to the most amazing part of this system is the restoring conditioner. I love it so, so much. It is really the icing on the cake, you guys. I go ahead and apply this to my hair from the roots all the way down to the tips with a focus on the tips. And I'm able to detangle my hair so easy. It just makes no sense. There's no denying it. This conditioner is incredible. This is truly the part of the system where you really start to understand why this is a breakage defense program. I mean, the hair is so soft and smooth and just slippery right through your fingers. There is no way your hair can break when your hair is this soft. I mean, I was able to virtually eliminate my breakage problems. Results will absolutely vary from person to person, but this is my personal experience, you guys. I am so satisfied with these products. And so this is typically my next step, just smoothing my hair down with a little leave-in conditioner and gel and putting it into a protective style. I always go for this low bun and call it a day. And this was pretty much what I did for 6 weeks. Hey guys, so this is my new haircut. I am just so excited that this whole process went off without a hitch. I was a little bit nervous because, you know, when you do something drastically different with yourself, you're always just at least a little bit nervous, but I am glad that I had a great set of products to work with and a great hairstylist, so I really didn't have anything to worry about. The good thing about having big chopped before in the past is that I am used to dealing with my hair at pretty much every length, so this is just a revisit for me because my hair was this length before. I am confident already with this length of hair and I already know the styles that I want to try. I love this new length. I feel like I have a whole new head of hair. I feel like I've been given a second chance to take care of my hair. My stylist went ahead and got rid of all of the color, all of the damaged areas of my hair. She cut it in layers to provide me with some body towards the top, and it kind of tapers a little bit towards the neck, and I'm able to actually enjoy a lot more of my curl pattern now that I don't have those stringy damaged ends kind of hanging on. Now I'm pretty much dealing with hair that is healthy from the root to the tip, and it just feels amazing, you guys. I couldn't wait to wash my hair for the first time after my cut. I wanted to wash it myself in the shower. I wanted to run my fingers through my hair. I wanted to really experience healthy looking hair for the first time in a long time. So I am super satisfied and happy with this cut. You guys have to let me know what you think. I have been so excited to show you guys my haircut. It's been cut for a few days now. I wanted to kind of get to know it and wear it out and do different things with it before I showed it to you all. So basically I wanted to get comfortable with it first and also be able to share with you guys my experience with my new haircut and not just show you like this fresh new cut that I don't know anything about. So I wanted to share some footage with you guys of me actually styling and shampooing and conditioning my hair for the first time. So what better place to start than coming back from the gym? So I just reached for my Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense products, and what I did was firstly went ahead and applied my Bond Mender pre-treatment, which is step 1. So I really just applied that all over my head and just waited like 10 minutes. So I just saturated the hair with water like I always do. Went ahead and shampooed my hair, you guys, and because my hair is so much healthier now and a lot shorter, the shampoo just really got to work, and there was so many suds. It's so much more of a pleasant experience now just having healthy hair. And then for step 3, the restoring conditioner, I went ahead and used that as my final step, and you guys, I just was so blown away by how much easier it was to detangle my hair with all of those scraggly ends cut off. Felt so nice, and as you guys can see, my hair can actually still fit into a ponytail even with my cut, so I'm really happy about that. I will mostly be wearing my hair out like this because it just feels so fancy and free. I love it. But if I do need or want to do a ponytail, it's good to know that I can. I did share a video with you guys talking about my initial thoughts on the products and just kind of briefing you guys on the state of my hair and just kind of walking you through my expectations of the product. So if you guys did not see that video, definitely click the link and check that one out. This video is more of my results. So if you guys did not catch that first video, make sure that you do check it out. So for today's hairstyle, I did a set of flat twists, okay? I took it back to my good old flat twist days, and I flat twisted my hair all around. I was really surprised that I was able to get it all the way to the ends. I thought my hair was gonna be too short to flat twist when I first saw the cut, but it wasn't. So, and I set my twists just using some leave-in conditioner and hair gel. And my hair is at a length where I still have some movement, and I'm just really excited about my hair being restored in this way, and I'm just so happy with my results. I'm so glad I decided to go on this Plex journey, and I'm really glad that you guys followed along. So my thoughts on the products, I know that's what you all want to know. So I'll start off by saying that I would highly recommend these products to anyone out there experiencing damage, especially if your damage is causing your hair to have a lot of breakage. The main thing that I noticed when I was using these products is the amount of conditioning capabilities that each of them had. My hair became so soft and moisturized and smooth to the touch that breakage was virtually impossible. So the first thing that I noticed is that my hair was no longer breaking off. Even in the damaged state that it was no longer breaking off. Now, someone like me who had heat damage, color damage, postpartum damage, I was was experiencing breakage on a daily basis. Every time I would handle my hair in any way, there would be little pieces of it in the bathroom sink. That is the first thing that I noticed stopped dead in its tracks, was that there was no more breakage. The second biggest benefit of these products, I would say, is the fact that my hair was so much easier to manage. Throughout the washing and conditioning process, my hair was detangled the entire time, which is huge when it comes to trying to overcome damage, because it's not going to benefit you at all if your hair is continuing to break as you're trying your best to handle it and manage it better. My hair was just really soft in between washes, so I usually wash my hair about once a week, sometimes more depending on how gross it gets at the gym. And in between those washes, usually my hair is pretty dry. I start to notice that it's brittle and it looks dry, but with these products, I was able to maintain a level of moisture in between washes, which is something I have never been able to do unless I would, you know, sort of constantly use my moisturizing hair products, my styling products. So this system brought about a huge difference in the way that I handle and maintain my hair. This is a system that gives your hair a second chance. I would say definitely don't let anyone sentence you to a big chop if that's not something that you want to do, or if it's something that you're not ready for at that moment. I am so glad I waited to cut my hair, because I allowed my hair to grow out to a length that I was comfortable managing. Not everyone wants to go back to big chop. Some of us can. Some of us look better with our hair short like that. Some of us will love our hair in that state. But for those of you who don't necessarily want to big chop again, I get it. You don't have to. So my message to you all throughout all of this, throughout these 6 weeks of restoring my hair, I wanted to share with you guys my journey of using the Plex Breakage Defense System by Cream of Nature, so that you know that there are products out there that can empower you to take control of your hair no matter what state it's in. You can make that change whenever you're ready. You can fix your techniques and you can restore your hair back to a place of health and have it thrive again. I feel like I have given my hair a second chance. I absolutely am in love with it all over again. And I was able to achieve a quality of my hair that I had not experienced in a very long time again. So it can happen, you guys. If it can happen for me, it can happen for you. So special thanks to Cream of Nature for sponsoring this video and for introducing me to these awesome products, you guys, because like I said, I came a long way. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you so much for following my Plex journey. It doesn't end here. I'm still going to be using these products. I'm still going to be styling my hair and trying different things. So comment below and give me your ideas of hairstyles that you think I should try with my new haircut. And I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I will talk to you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.